Okay, hi guys, welcome back. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. Okay, before in the previous video I talked already about how to deactivate your Facebook account, but right now we're going to talk about the the deletion. Okay, let's go to the browser together. Okay, and then the same way as we go to deactivate Facebook account, just click on if you use computer, click on the right side, okay, and choose the word setting and privacy. After that, you should click on setting, and then you will see back to the left side here. So you choose the word your Facebook information, you click on it, and after that you see this the information of your account, and you scroll a little bit and you see the word deactivation and deletion. Okay, you click on it and you will have to choose the choice that you want. Okay, first is deactivate. I talked already about deactivate account. It's just temporary, and another thing is delete account. It is permanent. Mean that when you choose to delete your Facebook account, you won't able to retry the content or information you have shared on Facebook. Okay, and everything will be deleted also. Okay, so now you choose delete account because this that account you don't use it anymore, and because of it hacked and it's spam or it's restriction, it is restricted. That's why you want to delete it. Okay, just click delete account and choose the word continue to account deletion. Click on it, and then you will see here you want to keep something or want to delete everything. Okay, to me this one I want to choose I don't want to do anything, just want to delete it. Just click on delete, and then you have to write the password of this account. Write down. Okay, sorry again. Okay, after you write your password, and you click the word continue. Okay, so confirm permanent account deletion. You are about permanently to delete your account. If you ready to delete, click delete account. Okay, and once you submit your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion after 30 days the deletion will process completely, and it means that you will not able to use it anymore. Mean that you have time, you have 30 days more to think about your account, to do final decision. Mean that sometimes you say, oh, I want to use the account again, and you can come back and you can log in again. Okay, but right now just click delete it like this one. Okay, and wait until for 30 days you can go back or not. Okay, but if you don't want to use it again after 30 days, it's gone. Okay. Okay, thank you so much everyone for for visit my video, and I hope that you enjoy it and you get something. And don't forget to give me click of like, and if possible you can share it to your friend, and any comment or any question you can ask me by write your concern in the message. Thank you so much. See you again, friend.